Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily update your WhatsApp in 2024. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, the first thing you'll have to do is to go to the Play Store, App Store or Play Store on your Android, and you'll have to search for WhatsApp. And then open WhatsApp, and if it says update instead of open, you can simply tap on update and you'll be able to update your WhatsApp to the latest version. But if it says open and you don't have even still access to the latest version of the WhatsApp, technically your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version, but there is another way to force update your WhatsApp application both on Android and iPhone. And to do that, you'll have to head over to the settings of your phone and then tap on general and then iPhone storage. And if you're on an Android, you'll have to go to the settings and then to app section, and you'll have to look for the WhatsApp. And then you'll have to clear cache and clear data on your Android, and then go to the Play Store and then reinstall the WhatsApp. And in iPhone, you can simply tap on offload app and then tap offload and then tap on reinstall app. Basically what it will do, it will force update your WhatsApp application to the latest version, and you will be able to use all the latest features of the WhatsApp. I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section. Thank you.